In a notable shift, the White House's newly updated COVID-19 website now prominently features the controversial lab leak theory as a key part of the discussion on the virus's origins. Previously a platform for public health information on vaccines and testing, the site now prominently features the claim that COVID-19 likely originated from a lab accident, specifically from the Wuhan Institute of Virology, WIV, in China. This marks a departure from the widely accepted narrative that the virus emerged naturally from an animal-to-human spillover. One of the main components of the website is its criticism of the publication The Proximal Origin of SARS-CoV-2, a study often cited to discredit the lab leak theory. The White House claims that Dr. Anthony Fauci, former President Joe Biden's top medical advisor, pushed this narrative in order to promote the idea that COVID-19 had a natural origin. The website outlines 5 key points that support the lab leak theory. Unnatural virus characteristics. The virus allegedly has biological characteristics that are not typically found in nature, raising suspicions about its origins. Single introduction. Data shows that all COVID-19 cases trace back to a single introduction into humans, contrasting with past pandemics where multiple spillover events occurred. Proximity to Wuhan lab. The Wuhan Institute of Virology, which has conducted gain-of-function research, enhancing viruses for research, is located near the outbreak's epicenter. The site points out that the lab has had issues with biosafety protocols, further raising concerns about a potential lab leak. Sick researchers. Several WIVR researchers showed symptoms similar to COVID-19 in late 2019, months before the virus was linked to a wet market in Wuhan, adding to suspicions that the virus was released from the lab. Absence of natural evidence. The website asserts that if there were evidence supporting a natural origin for COVID-19, it would have emerged by now. The lack of such evidence, according to the site, further strengthens the lab leak theory. Additionally, the website criticizes EcoHealth Alliance, which was involved in funding research at WIV. Perhaps most controversially, the website accuses the Biden administration of obstructing investigations into the lab leak theory, allegedly suppressing evidence and stifling dissenting views on the pandemic's origins.